Welcome to ParquetFlooringDubai.ae, your ultimate destination for all things parquet flooring. In this video, we will delve into the world of parquet flooring and explore the various types that can transform your space. Let's get started. When it comes to enhancing the aesthetics of your floors, parquet flooring stands out as an exceptional choice. With its intricate patterns and timeless elegance, parquet flooring adds a touch of luxury to any room. Solid parquet. One of the most popular types of parquet flooring is solid parquet. Crafted from solid wood, this flooring option boasts durability and natural beauty. Solid parquet flooring is available in various wood species, allowing you to choose from rich oak, exotic teak, or classic walnut. Its timeless charm makes it a perfect choice for both traditional and contemporary interiors. Engineered wood parquet flooring. Engineered parquet flooring is another excellent option. It is composed of multiple layers of wood, topped with a hardwood veneer. This construction enhances stability, making it resistant to moisture and temperature fluctuations. Engineered parquet offers a wide array of design possibilities and is compatible with underfloor heating systems. Reclaimed parquet flooring. For those seeking a sustainable flooring option, reclaimed parquet flooring is an ideal choice. Made from repurposed wood, reclaimed parquet offers unique character and a sense of history. By choosing reclaimed parquet, you contribute to environmental conservation. Mosaic parquet flooring. If you desire a more intricate design, mosaic parquet flooring is the way to go. Mosaic parquet consists of small wood pieces arranged in geometric patterns, creating a stunning visual effect. The intricate craftsmanship of mosaic parquet can transform any space into a work of art, leaving a lasting impression on your guests. Installation. Now that you're familiar with the different types of parquet flooring, let's talk about installation. ParquetFlooringDubai.ae offers professional installation services to ensure your flooring is expertly fitted. Our skilled team will guide you through the process, from subfloor preparation to final installation, delivering flawless results that exceed your expectations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of parquet flooring. At ParquetFlooringDubai.ae, we strive to provide you with high-quality flooring solutions that transform your space into a masterpiece.